attention to the speeches that were made there at the Gandhi Maidan in Patna. And can you tell me if these amounted to peaceful and, very, very courteous speeches that were being made there, where we were talking about the Sharia coming, where we were talking about throwing the laws into the dustbin. All this peaceful, really?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists.
It's Bhaduria was the member of parliament and how he abused the
Navika, 35 minutes I've been waiting.
I'll come back to you, Waris Pathan. Go on, Anand.
My turn has come after 35 minutes, and I know in a 1 hour program I'll get not more than 2 minutes. निचोड़ के मैं आपसे 30 seconds ले लूंगा, लेकिन जब तक मेरी टर्न आई है इतना झूठ बोला गया है कि नाविका, आई बेग ऑफ यू कि मुझे कम से कम 30 seconds दीजिए वो झूठ एक्सप्लेन करने को, उसके बाद मैं मुद्दे पे आऊंगा विद योर परमिशन. अब पहले मैं नवल जी को टैकल करता हूं. लेट मी इंडल्ज इन अ बिट ऑफ नेवल गेजिंग. इन्होंने कहा कि अगर जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में सेकुलरिज्म नहीं चाहता है वो कॉम्युनल है. बाय हिज लॉजिक, for 30 years after independence, for till 1976, when during the emergency the word secularism was introduced, Congress was communal. अगर इनकी हिम्मत है तो बोल दे, तब तो सेकुलरिज्म नहीं था. मतलब ये लॉजिक लाए. और वारिस पठान साहब फिर से शुरू हो गए हिंदू मुस्लिम. बात हिंदू मुस्लिम की है ही नहीं. हम सब एक हैं, 1.4 बिलियन पीपल. मैं बोल बोल के थक गया. नाविका, मैं हिंदू हूं, लेकिन मुझे सवैयां खानी होती है, मैं वारिस पठान साहब के घर से लाता हूं. वारिस पठान साहब मुस्लिम हैं. इन्होंने जो विग पहना हुआ है वो तिरुपति जो हिंदू जाते हैं उनके बालों से बना है. कोई हिंदू मुस्लिम नहीं है. The fact of the matter is, why blame the Islamists and jihadis and the opponents and the proponents of Sharia? Blame those on whose shoulders these bigots rest their guns and fire. पॉइंट फंडामेंटलिस्ट की नहीं है. पॉइंट है जो इनको बना रखा फंडामेंटलिस्ट. फॉर 30 years the Supreme Court never found illegal an act that gave Muslims the power to claim any property as their own, that allowed them to annex any land housing a functional mosque. But today it is sitting to adjudicate whether a version that curtails these draconian excesses is illegal or not. For 30 years, the Supreme Court never found unsecular an act that gave Muslims the power to use thousands of crores of taxpayers' money to conduct survey of religious property. For 30 years, the Supreme Court never found unjust that a parallel extrajudicial tribunal decided with finality the fate of the aggrieved whose land and property was usurped. But today, it is sitting to adjudicate whether a version that curtails these draconian excesses is illegal or not. And you still claim that this country, Navika, is not a banana republic. The fact of the matter is that we are being guilt-tripped into giving away our property, our schools, our temples, our rights, and finally, our faith. Look, 30 seconds. I have nothing against the Waqf board. Why should anyone? Countless boards, charities, NGOs exist. The problem for me was the Waqf Act that weaponized the Waqf board. World over, disputes over property are settled using courts and existing laws that are community and religion agnostic. Why should a particular religious community be armed with another set of laws, those that are patently discriminatory towards members of another community as a primary institute of defense? Tell me. आप मुझे ये बताइए, 30 सेकंड में आपके लेना चाहता हूं. बहुत सिंपल से एक आर्ग्यूमेंट रखना चाहता हूं. बहुत सिंपल आर्ग्यूमेंट.
Time nahi hai for more arguments. There are so many arguments that are already floating around. But Sanjay Jha, really, Rahul Gandhi sends a message there that the Imarat-e-Sharia is going to protect the Constitution. They should make the awareness of the Constitution. Really?
Navika, I want to make two short points here. We are talking about a political entity. The Prime Minister of this country, while campaigning in 2024, talked of कौन भैंस चोरी कर लेगा, मंगलसूत्र उठा के भाग जाएगा, मटन, मछली, मुजरा. They will put Muslims in the Indian cricket team. When this kind of dog whistle politics is coming from the top, you have corrupted the entire political discourse in this country.
So you're admitting that Rahul Gandhi's politics has been corrupted. Please respond, Sudhanshu Trivedi.
We have reached a pitiable level in our country.
When a well-read person, when a person like Sanjay Jha uses to use this word, and who is bringing down the discourse, कि Hindu is a virus, it is a bacteria, it is a corona, It is HIV.
He condemned
And इरेडिकेशन ऑफ सनातन धर्म. सर शर्म नहीं आती आप लोगों को? आप क्या बोलने की बात करते हैं? एंड इट वॉज नॉट ए स्टेटमेंट, इट वॉज 3-day कॉन्फ्रेंस. एंड इन द फॉरेन कंट्रीज डिसमेंटलिंग ग्लोबल हिंदुत्व. हिंदुत्व तेरी कबर खुदेगी. What you are talking about, sir? And you are saying that the hate has been propagated from the other side. अरे माना साहब, आपको कुर्सी चाहिए, कुर्सी के लिए कितना झुकेंगे? And just one more fact I would like to put. ये बताइए साहब, मुगलों के जाने के बाद हालत यह हो गई थी कि दिल्ली का एक बादशाह था शाह आलम, जिसके बारे में कहावत कही जाती थी कि सल्तनते शाह आलम दे लाल किले ते पालम, यानी सिर्फ लाल किले से आज के आईजीआई एयरपोर्ट तक उसकी हुकूमत थी. फिर ये वफ के सारी हुकूमत ही नहीं थी, जब उसके पास कुछ था ही नहीं, ये कहां से निकलने लगे? 1707 के बाद महाराष्ट्र में कोई कंट्रोल नहीं रह गया मुस्लिमों का. 240 साल के बाद अचानक ये कहां से मालिकाना हक निकलने लगा? बस मैंने कह दिया, जैसे ये शहंशाही नहीं खुदाई थी. मैंने कहा जमीन हमारी हो गई. बस अब नो प्रूफ इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड योर गवर्नमेंट हैज सक्कम्ड टू दैट थिंग.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, where is the hate stemming from? Well, that is the question that was asked by Sudhanshu Trivedi. Well, मोहब्बत की दुकान और इतना सारा hate. Sanjay Jha, think about it. And we asked people of India, and our poll question was, Tejasvi wants to trash Waqf law. Is this the emergency mindset? Yes, say 75% of the people. No, say 21% of the people. Can't say 4% of the people. Well, you've seen what our viewers think, what people who have voted for this thing, and clearly at this point, for all those who support Sharia, it's a wake-up call. There are courts in the country. The Supreme Court is hearing the case on Waqf bill. Why then wait for Sharia? Why then trash the bill and throw it in the dustbin? That is the only question we are asking. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on debate number 1.